Dear students, welcome to SCPS online live class 8 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you and your family are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, you know already chapter 1 to 4 we completed. Now today we will discuss chapter 5. In chapter 5 there are two exercises, 5.1 and another 5.2. Dear students, today we will discuss on exercise 5.1. So we can start. Dear students, look, already I have written some problems. Problem number 1, express in the lowest form. You have to express in the lowest form. What is the lowest form? Lowest form, that means after minimization you will get a short form, or you can say this is our lowest form. Suppose an example, 12 by 18. Suppose this is a fraction, 12 by 18. If we minimize by 6, this will be 2 and 3. So we can write 2 by 3. This 2 by 3, this is called lowest form of 12 by 13. So after minimization, this is 2 and 3. This is two prime numbers, so we can't minimize. So this is our final answer, and this is called lowest form. So this is our number for your better understanding. But here, dear students, this is some algebraic expression. Now how we can solve it? Now look, problem number 1, this one. So dear students, remember that for minimization at first you have to factorize the expression. But here one number, this already factorized. What is the meaning of factorization? The expression we have to express as a product. That means by using multiplication. Now look, there are already multiplication sign. So we can say this numerator and denominator are already factorized. So you can minimize. Now 4 and 9, no minimization. X square and x to the power 5. So we can say it will be x cube. After minimization, it will be x cube. Y cube and y square, it will be y. Z to the power 5 and z cube, it will be z square. So we can say this is our answer. Very simple. Okay. Now this one also product. So we can say this numerator and denominator already factorized. So we can simplify. Now look, 16. You can write 2 to the power 4. This 2 to the power 4. This x to the power 4. 3 to the power 5. And this is y to the power 5. If we write separately, this is 3 cube x cube, 2 to the power 6, y to the power 6. Now we can minimize. Look, dear students, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. So we can say there are 2 to the power 8. And this is 2 to the power 6. So after minimization, there will be 2 square. And this 2 square you can write 4. Directly you can write 4. Okay, look. Now this is 3 to the power 5 and this is 3 cube. So there will be also 3 square. Now look, this is x to the power 4 and here x cube. So it will be x. Look, here y to the power 5, here y to the power 6. So there will be y. So this 2 square you can write 4 and this 3 square you can write 9. Now 4 9 ja 36. So we can write finally answer 36x by y. So this is our lowest form of this given fraction. Now problem number F. Look, here numerator and denominator, this is minus and plus. So we can say there are 3 terms. So this is not factorized. So at first we have to factorize. Now if we use your middle term process, then you will be able to factorize. Now look, what will be our answer? Now this 7 and this 12, if we take 4 and 3, good. So it's minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. This 9 and 20, if we take 5 and 4, good. Minus 5x minus 4x, it will be 20. Now solve our process. Look dear student, here we take common minus 3. So this plus, it will be minus. Common means you have to divide. Minus 3 common, that means you have to divide plus 12 by minus 3. So it will be minus 4. Now here x is common, so answer x minus 5. Here also minus 4 is common, so it will be x minus 5. Now dear students, this is x minus 4, x minus 3, and this is x minus 5, and another one x minus 4. Now this x minus 4, this and this one we can minimize, so our answer will be x minus 3, x minus 5. So we can say this is our lowest form of this given problem, f number. Now another one, h number. Look dear students, here also term, plus minus indicate term. Clear? When given the bracket indicate one term. Remember that. Inner the bracket, if you get some addition, subtraction sign, no problem. Whole bracket indicate one term. There is no bracket, so we can say there are 4 terms, numerator also denominator. So we have to factorize at first. Now how we can factorize? Look, if we take minus as a common, it will be twice bc plus c square. Now dear students, why we can take minus as a common? Then it all will be positive. If minus will be taken, then all sign will be positive. Now look, this is formula, f plus b whole square, like f plus b whole square. Now look, they are also already one formula matching, so it we can write f plus b whole square minus c square. Now there we can write, this will be b plus c whole square, and this is f plus b whole square minus c square. Now dear students, if you write a plus b, so plus b, and a minus b, this b plus c indicate b, so it will be minus, and plus a minus minus. Now it will be f plus b plus c, and another one will be f plus b minus c. Now this f plus b plus c, this will be minimized. Now our final term will be this is. So we can say this is our answer. That means this is the lowest form of the given problem. Clear dear students? So you will be able to solve how to express as the lowest form. Now dear students, go to the problem number 2. Problem number 2, we have to express some fractions as a common denominators. Dear students, in class 7 already we solved this kind of math. Clear? So I will solve only one math, because in class 7 already you know how to make all fractions as a common denominator. Now if I solve only one math, then you will be able to how to solve it. Just for your memorization, I will solve. Suppose question number 2, we can solve f number problem. At first I write the problem number f. Look here, denominator of first fraction. Look, what is the denominator of first fraction? 2 number problem, f number, first fraction x square minus 5x plus 6. This is our denominator of first fraction. Now at first we have to factorize. Now x square, this 5 and this 6, both first and last they are positive, so we have to take positive sign. So we can take minus 3x minus twice x plus 6. Now it will be x minus 3. If minus 2 is common, then it will be x minus 3. So x minus 3 and another x minus 2. So this is our factorization of first fraction, denominator of first fraction. Now denominator of second fraction. What is the second fraction denominator? This is x square minus 7x plus 12. X square minus 7x plus 12. This is the denominator of second fraction. So at first similarly we have to factorize it. Now this positive, so we have to take 4x minus 3x. Their product 12. You know how to factorize. Now x minus 4, if minus 3 is common, then it will be also minus 4. So x minus 4, another one x minus 3. Now another one, denominator of third fraction. What is the denominator of third fraction? X square minus 9x plus 20. Both denominator are same category. So we can write there are minus 5x minus 4x. Also you can write minus 4x minus 5x. No problem, because both are same, both are negative. Now if we take x as a common, it will be x minus 5, minus 4 as a common, x minus 5. Now if x minus 5 as a common, it will be x minus 4. So this is our factorization of these three denominator of the fraction. Now we have to take the LCM. Good. Now we have to take the LCM. So LCM of the denominators. Now what will be the LCM of the denominators? Dear student, look, at first write this two one, x minus 3, x minus 2. At first write this two one. Now look, x minus 4. There is no x minus 4, so write x minus 4. This x minus 3, this is already written, so not necessary. Go to x minus 5. So we have to write x minus 5. X minus 4, this is already written. So we can say this is our LCM. Clear? So first step, you have to factorize the fraction denominator. Then you have to find the LCM. Now we have to go to our given fraction. Clear? So dear students, now our second part. I have to erase the first one. Now look, what was our first fraction? Our first fraction, it was 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. This is our first fraction. Now we can write x square minus 5x plus 6. You can write x minus 3, x minus 2. Directly. You can write directly. Why? Because already in this place we written. Clear? So by using this we can write it directly. Now look, this is our denominator and this is our LCM. Now our target, we have to write the LCM. That means this denominator we have to convert as a LCM. So look, they are x minus 3, x minus t, x minus 3, x minus t. So these two one we need, if we multiply x minus 4, x minus 5 with numerator and denominator, then the denominator will be similar to LCM. Good. So we have to multiply by, this is already written. Now we have to multiply x minus 4 and x minus 5. This part, also this part we have to multiply here. 1 into this. 1 into this we know 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 6, 6. So not necessary to write 1. So we can write directly x minus 4, x minus 5. So now look, this denominator is similar to LCM. Similarly, second fraction, third fraction, this denominator we need to convert as a LCM. Then we can say all denominators are same. This is the process. Now dear students, go to the second fraction. Very simple and most important. In your creative question, B number or C number always contain this type of question. make common denominator. So it's most important, you have to practice. Now second fraction, our second fraction was 1 by x square minus 7x plus 12. So after factorization, it was x minus 4, x minus 3. Now which one is lacking? X minus 4, x minus 3. So we have to multiply x minus 2 and x minus 5. We have to multiply by this one. Now write x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 5. So which one? X minus 4, this is x minus 3, this. So we have to write x minus 2 and x minus 5. So we can say this is our second fraction. Similarly, third fraction. Our third fraction, dear students. Third fraction, 1 by x square minus 9x plus 20. After factorization, we can write x minus 5, x minus 4. Now we have to make this one. So now write this one, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 5. If you write x minus 5 at first, x minus 3 last one, no problem. You have to write this 4 one. They are serial, not necessary. This is not significant. Now x minus 5 and x minus 4. So we need x minus 3 and x minus 2. So this one, this and another one. This is our answer. So now you can write the common after the problem. Their common denominators are this and previous one, this one. By using comma, you can write this is the answer, or you can write this one. Clear? Very simple. In class 7 already we solved how to make a common denominators. Now dear students, there are some problems. Problem number 2, I think you will be able to solve. Already you know how to solve, and in class 7 also you know. Now dear students, 3 number. Look, find the sum. Find the sum. That means there are some fraction, 2 or 3 fraction. You have to add. Then we have to find the sum. And problem number 4, find the difference. So this is the, we have to minus at 2 fraction given, and we have to minus. And problem number 5, this is the most important, simplify. Now this simplify indicate this will be some problem which will be included addition and also subtraction. That means plus and minus both contains this maths, we can say simplify this one. So I think it will be better if we solve problem number 5, simplify. If we solve problem number 5, that means addition and subtraction both will be we have to done. So we can go problem number 5. Now dear students, problem number 5, suppose D number maths. Now look, then you will be able to add and subtract, not necessary to problem number 3 and 4. Now 5 number D, what is our maths? 1 by x plus 3y plus 1 by x minus 3y, and another one minus twice x by x square minus 9y square. This is our maths. Now dear students, we have to solve it. Now how we can solve, dear students? Look, there are 3 fractions. This one add and this is subtract. So we can say at first, if we add this one, then we'll get a sum. Then we can subtract this one from the sum of these two one. It will be easy for our. So now dear students, we can solve. Now x plus 3 and x minus 3y. So they are LCM, x plus 3y, x minus 3y. Now we have to divide this LCM by denominator. If we divide x plus 3y, it is x minus 3y. Now plus sign. If we divide x minus 3y, it will be x plus 3y. Now this we can write as a constant part, not necessary to correction. Now dear student, this is a plus b, a minus b. So we can apply formula a square minus b square. We can apply this formula, a square minus b square. And this one plus 3y minus 3y vanish, this is 2i6. And this one 2i6 by x square minus 9y square. Now dear student, this is x square minus 9y square, 2i6. And this is 9. Look dear student, this and this both are same. If we subtract 5 minus 5, answer will be 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So we can say this minus this, same thing. So it will be 0. Clear? Okay dear students, very simple. So we know how to add and subtract. Now dear students, we can solve suppose problem number G number problem. Suppose this one and another last 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. So this is our problem. Clear dear student? Look, there are 4 fractions. Clear? So now we can solve at first this two one. Why this two one? Look, x minus 1, x plus 1. You can apply a formula, a square minus b square. So it will be simple for our to solve this one by taking this. Now at first this two one. So they are x minus 1 and another x plus 1. So it will be x plus 1 minus. Now look, this is minus, so it will be minus and minus minus plus 1. Minus and minus, minus and minus, it will be plus 1. Now not necessary to write this one. Now dear student, this is, we can write a plus b, a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. And we know 1 square means 1, not necessary to write. So we can write only 1. Now this is minus and minus is 2. Now dear students, this two one. Now they are LCM. This. Now look, multiply 2 into x square plus 2. We have to multiply this 2 by this one. Why? If we divide x square minus 1, answer will be this. So we have to multiply this by 2. We know this is our fractional system. Now minus 2x square and minus minus, minus plus. So this is 2. Now this is 4x to the power 4 plus 1. Now dear students, here also, sorry, there x square, it will be x square. Now dear student, here a plus b, a minus b. So again we can write a square minus b square. Dear student, 1 square means 1 and x square whole square, that means x to the power 4. So directly we can write x to the power 4 minus 1. This one x to the power 4 minus 1. And now this is 4 plus 2 plus 2 4. And this is 4x to the power 4 plus 1. Now dear students, we have to solve this one. So I need to erase upper side. Now what is the LCM dear students? X to the power 4 minus 1 and another x to the power 4 plus 1. So this will be 4 into x to the power 4 plus 4 and this will be this is plus, so this will be plus 4x to the power 4 and this is minus, so plus and minus minus 4. Now dear student, this is, we can write x to the power 4 whole square. You can write this one x to the power 4 whole square minus 1 square, মানে s square minus b square, so not necessary to 1, and this is 8x to the power 4. Finally you can write x to the power 8, 4 square, x to the power 4 whole square, so their index and index it will be multiplied, 4 to the 8. Don't write x to the power 6, 4 plus 2, not, it will be 4 to the 8, when index whole contains index it will be multiplied. Now minus 1, and this is 8x to the power 4, so this is our answer. So dear students, now you can see it's very simple process. At first if you look, there are 4 terms, 5 terms, 3 terms, you can think it will be so much hard for you, but while you try to solve it will be very simple. Clear dear students? So at first you have to practice, then you can solve any maths in a simple way and very short time. So dear students, today we can stop there, and your homework, you have to solve exercise 5.1 all maths. Without this already solved, you can avoid this, and remaining maths you need to solve. So you can say this is your homework. If you think sir this is so much math, no, if you take more practice, then you will be able to solve any maths in short time. So it is your duty. So dear students, thank you. No more today.